Traditional manual, coffee bean grinding, time-consuming and labor-intensive. The ground powder, rough particles, poor coffee taste. Hanbok coffee bean grinder. 64mm large flat blade disc. Sus 402 stainless steel. Grinding core, high hardness, durable and reliable. Can be flexibly adjusted with a bracket. 1-button power switch. Simple and easy to use. 18 adjustable grinding settings in total. The larger the setting, the coarser the powder. The smaller the setting, the finer the powder. Meet various coffee making requirements. Transparent and independent. Bean storage box. Satisfy commercial needs. Use permanent magnet DC motor. Stable and constant speed. Grinding at 3.5 second. Sliding channel design for direct powder discharge. Instant grinding and discharge. Powder discharge is regular and does not accumulate residual powder. Powder is fluffy and does not clump. Extracted coffee liquid has rich oiliness.